Gentlemen, let me ask you a direct question. Did you know that there is a specific point on your body where a simple application of oil can completely transform your intimate life? If you are over 50 and feel that you have lost your former confidence, that can change today. I am Dr. Emily Carter, a urologist with over 15 years of experience helping men regain their sexual vitality. During my career, I have discovered natural techniques that traditional medicine often ignores, but which can revolutionize your performance. Stay with me because today I'm going to reveal exactly where to apply castor oil to restore your erections naturally and effectively. I'm talking about an ancient technique that, when applied to the right spot, can increase blood flow to the male organ by up to 40% in the first weeks of use. This is not about expensive medications or invasive procedures. The truth is that castor oil has unique properties that modern science is finally understanding. This oil contains ricinoleic acid, a compound that acts directly on blood vessels, promoting natural vasodilation. When applied to the right spot, it penetrates deep into the skin and reaches the tissues responsible for blood circulation in the pelvic region. Studies show that ricinoleic acid increases the production of nitric oxide, the same compound that erectile dysfunction drugs try to stimulate artificially. The difference is that castor oil does this completely naturally, without side effects and without chemical dependence. In addition, it improves the elasticity of blood vessels and reduces inflammation that may be blocking proper blood flow. The mechanism of action is fascinating. When ricinoleic acid comes into contact with EP3 receptors in blood vessels, it triggers a cascade of biochemical reactions that result in the relaxation of vascular smooth muscle. This means that the vessels dilate naturally, allowing more blood to flow into the cavernous bodies of the penis. Recent research also shows that castor oil stimulates the production of E1-type prostaglandins, substances that regulate local blood pressure and improve blood perfusion in erectile tissues. This is exactly the same mechanism that some expensive injectable medications attempt to reproduce, but the oil does so gradually and sustainably. The specific point where you should apply castor oil is located in the perineum, the area between the anus and the base of the scrotum. This region contains a complex network of blood vessels and nerve endings that directly feed the erectile tissue of the penis. When we massage this area with castor oil, we create a natural pumping effect that forces blood to circulate better throughout the genital region. The perineum is also home to acupressure points known for thousands of years in Eastern medicine as portals of male sexual energy. By stimulating this area with the right oil, you will be activating natural mechanisms in your body that may have been dormant for years. Many of my patients report tingling and warming sensations in the region after the first few applications, signs that circulation is being restored. This region is strategic because it is where the internal pudendal arteries pass, responsible for carrying blood directly to the penis. When we massage the perineum, we also stimulate the bulbous spongiosus muscle, which acts as a natural pump, helping to keep blood trapped in the corpora cavernosa during erection. Now I will teach you exactly how to do this safely and effectively. First, you will need pure castor oil without chemical additives. Make sure it is cold pressed and organic, as this ensures the maximum concentration of active ingredients. Step 1. Take a warm bath to relax your muscles and open your skin pores. The warm temperature also dilates the superficial blood vessels, facilitating the absorption of the oil. Spend at least 10 minutes in the bath, allowing the heat to penetrate deep into the tissues. Use a mild soap and avoid products with strong fragrances that may interfere with the absorption of the oil. Step 2. Dry yourself thoroughly and lie down in a comfortable position, preferably on your back with your knees slightly bent. Place a clean towel under your body to protect the bed. Make sure the room is warm and draft-free, as muscle relaxation is essential for the technique to be successful. Step 3. Warm 2 teaspoons of castor oil by rubbing it between your palms for 30 seconds. Warm oil penetrates the skin better and provides greater comfort during application. Test the temperature on the back of your hand to ensure it is not too hot. Ideally, the oil should be slightly above body temperature. Step 4. Locate the perineum by gently pressing with your fingers on the area between the anus and the base of the scrotum. You should feel a small natural depression in this region. This is the exact location of the pressure point that stimulates genital circulation. Familiarize yourself with this area for a few seconds before starting to apply the oil. Step 5. Apply the warm oil to this specific point using circular movements with moderate pressure. Massage for exactly 5 minutes, maintaining constant but comfortable pressure. The movements should be slow and rhythmic, always clockwise. Imagine that you are awakening circulation that has been dormant for years. Step 6. After the circular massage, make pulsating pressure movements, alternating between pressing firmly for 3 seconds and relaxing for 2 seconds. Repeat this sequence for another 2 minutes. This movement mimics the natural pumping of the heart, helping to direct blood flow to the genital region. Step 7. Now make sliding movements from the perineum toward the base of the penis, as if pushing the blood upward. Use the palm of your hand with firm but gentle movements, repeating for 3 minutes. This technique helps direct blood flow exactly where it needs to go. Step 8. Finish by pressing firmly on the center of the perineum for 30 seconds, as if activating a button. This final pressure helps direct blood flow to the corpora cavernosa of the penis. Keep the pressure constant and breathe deeply throughout the process. Step 9. Remain lying down for another 15 minutes, breathing deeply and visualizing the blood flowing freely through the genital region. This relaxation step is crucial for the body to fully absorb the benefits of the technique. Close your eyes and focus on the warming and tingling sensations that may arise in the region. Step 10. Before getting up, do some pubococcygeal muscle contraction exercises, contracting as if you were interrupting the flow of urine. Hold the contraction for 5 seconds and relax for 5 seconds, repeating 10 times. This enhances the effects of the massage by strengthening the muscles that support erection. Repeat this process every night before bed, always at the same time. Consistency is key for your body to develop a conditioned response to this stimulus. Never apply more than 2 teaspoons per session, as excess can cause irritation to the sensitive skin in the area. The ideal is to establish a ritual, turning this moment into an investment in your sexual health. The first results begin to appear between the 2nd and 3rd week of regular application. You will likely notice more frequent and firmer morning erections, a sign that your nighttime circulation is improving. In the 4th week, many patients report longer-lasting erections during sexual activity, with greater ease in maintaining rigidity. After 2 months of consistent practice, you can expect a significant improvement in the overall quality of your erections, including greater blood volume in the organ and faster responses to sexual stimulation. Most importantly, these benefits tend to become permanent as you are literally retraining your circulatory system to function better. Some men also notice improvements in sensitivity and pleasure during sex as a result of better innervation in the region. The technique not only restores erectile function, but can also intensify sensations, making the intimate experience more satisfying for both partners. Many also report greater ease in reaching orgasm and more intense ejaculations. In addition to the direct benefits to sexual function, the technique also improves male self-esteem and confidence. When a man regains his ability to have firm and lasting erections, his entire emotional well-being is transformed. This has a positive impact on his relationship, work, and overall quality of life. It is important to mention that this technique should be avoided by men with open wounds in the genital region, active infections, or known allergies to castor oil. If you have a history of serious circulatory problems or use anticoagulant medications, consult your doctor before starting the practice. If you experience any irritation, persistent redness, or abnormal discomfort during or after application, discontinue use immediately and seek medical advice. Although it is a natural technique, each body reacts differently, and it is essential to respect the signals your body sends you. Men with enlarged prostates should be especially careful with the pressure applied during the massage, avoiding very vigorous movements that may cause discomfort. The technique should always provide relaxation and well-being, never pain or tension. If you have a history of kidney stones or urinary problems, talk to your urologist before starting. Gentlemen, your body still has the incredible ability to regenerate and function as it did in its prime. This ancient technique, combined with modern scientific knowledge, offers you a natural and effective alternative to regain your intimate confidence. This is not an empty promise, but a reality based on years of clinical experience and hundreds of success stories. You don't have to accept that erection problems are an inevitable consequence of age. With dedication and the right technique, it is possible to reverse years of decline and feel powerful and virile again. Your body is just waiting for the right stimulus to awaken its full sexual potential again. Nature has provided us with all the tools we need to maintain our sexual vitality throughout our lives. Castor oil is just one of those powerful tools that have been overlooked by modern medicine, which focuses on quick chemical solutions. By reviving this ancient knowledge, you are choosing a natural and sustainable path to your sexual health. Remember that consistency is the key to success. As with any exercise or treatment, the best results come from regular and patient practice. Trust the process, maintain discipline, and in a few weeks, you will be enjoying a much more satisfying and fulfilling intimate life. Every night you dedicate to this practice is an investment in your sexual future and your quality of life. If this information has been useful to you, share it with other men who may benefit from this natural technique. Subscribe to the channel to receive more men's health tips based on science and clinical experience. I am Dr. Emily Carter, and I will always be here to help you live your best life.